Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Internet of Things, or IoT. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 most impressive and innovative IoT applications that are changing the way we interact with our surroundings. So, buckle up and get ready for a journey into the future of connectivity and automation. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our exciting tech content. Let's get started. Number 1. Smart homes. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the revolutionary concept of smart homes. The days of manually adjusting your home environment are becoming a thing of the past, thanks to IoT technology. Picture this. You're leaving the office late, and you want your home to be cozy and welcoming when you arrive. With smart home devices, you can remotely adjust your thermostat, turn on your lights, and even set your favorite playlist to greet you as you walk through the door. Beyond convenience, smart homes also enhance security. Receive real-time alerts on your phone if there's unexpected activity, allowing you to take action even when you're miles away. These devices are like your home's personal assistant, making your life easier and more comfortable. Number 2. Wearable health tech. Sliding into the 4th spot, we have wearable health tech. It's like having a personal trainer and a doctor wrapped around your wrist. Fitness trackers and smartwatches are no longer just about counting steps. They're your 24/7 health companions. Imagine a device that not only monitors your heart rate during workouts but also tracks your sleep patterns to ensure you're getting the rest you need. Need to unwind? These wearables can guide you through relaxation exercises based on your stress levels. And if a potential health issue arises, your device can alert you and even share vital information with your healthcare provider. It's a game changer that empowers you to take charge of your well-being like never before. Number 3. Industrial IoT, IoT. Stepping up to the podium at number 3 is Industrial IoT, or IoT. Imagine a manufacturing floor where machines communicate seamlessly, optimizing production in real time. IoT takes predictive maintenance to a whole new level. Sensors embedded in machinery constantly gather data, allowing for early detection of potential issues. This means fewer unexpected breakdowns and more efficient operations. But it's not just about the factory floor, it's about the entire supply chain. From tracking inventory levels to monitoring delivery routes, IoT is revolutionizing the way goods are produced, managed, and delivered, paving the way for a more streamlined and responsive industrial landscape. Number 4. Smart cities. Coming in at the 2nd spot, we have the concept of smart cities. As urban populations continue to grow, so do the challenges of managing resources and providing a high quality of life. Enter IoT-powered smart cities, where technology seamlessly integrates various aspects of urban living. Imagine an intelligent traffic management system that adjusts traffic lights in real time based on traffic flow, reducing congestion and emissions. Smart waste management optimizes garbage collection routes, saving time and fuel. Energy-efficient smart buildings automatically adjust lighting and heating based on occupancy, reducing energy waste. These interconnected systems make urban living more sustainable, efficient, and enjoyable for everyone. Number 5. Agriculture and precision farming. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is agriculture and precision farming. In a world where the demand for food is ever growing, IoT is revolutionizing the way we produce it. Picture a farm where soil conditions are monitored in real time, ensuring that crops receive the precise amount of water and nutrients they need. Drones equipped with specialized cameras scan fields, identifying areas of stress or disease before they spread. Livestock wear smart collars that monitor their health and location, ensuring their well-being. This data-driven approach isn't just about increasing yields, it's about sustainability. By optimizing resource usage and reducing waste, IoT is contributing to a more resilient and secure food supply for our planet. There you have it, folks. Our top 5 Internet of Things applications that are reshaping the world around us. From the convenience of smart homes to the efficiency of precision farming, IoT is paving the way for a more connected and intelligent future. Which of these applications impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your tech-savvy friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology. Goodbye.